Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my reviews, and today I have quite a sad news for all those Samsung fans who want to buy the Galaxy Fold. So if you are planning to buy the smartphone or the tablet, whatever you may call it, then please watch the video till the end, else you may suffer a bit. So Samsung has yet to give the press a closer look and hands-on at the Galaxy Fold, and now we think we know why. The reason is the Galaxy Fold has a sizable crease that runs down the center of the display, as I have shown in the photo. Is noticed by the Photoscope editor. Phone Arena also spotted it too, and it is noticed Huawei own foldable the Mate X has slightly bumped display right in the middle as well. To be clear, this is where the spine slits on both phones. We have not been able to hold the phones yet either, so we can't confirm these issues. But yeah, those are all images which indicate that the smartphone is having a crease between the two displays. So one thing is for sure, that the crease or the bend or whatever you may call it seen here is really unsightly, because maybe of the display as well. Samsung, in our opinion, is the most worrisome. If the Galaxy Fold launches with a blossom on its screen, then Samsung better not advertise it with a truly flat display. In fact, the mostly odd about this development is that Samsung just released the 4-minute promo video of the Galaxy Fold. It is supposed to be our first good look at the device, but in the same video we don't see any kind of mark between the displays or in the same display, which is when unfolded turns into the tablet. So what do you think about this? And if you find that there is a crease in the smartphone or tablet, whatever you may call it, then are you gonna buy it? Comment me below. And what do you think about this issue in the smartphone? Comment me below as well. Until my next video, peace.